Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, depending on where you're watching this video from. New year, new me, old things have passed away. This is some of the declarations that many of us made at exactly 12 a.m. today, 1st of January 2026. Many of us have made probably gigantic visions and targets, things that we want to achieve this year. Now, let me regress a bit before I continue with the reason why I'm making this video. There are some times when I will wake up in the morning, I prepare to go to work, I will probably tidy up the materials that I would love to use in the office, probably to gain more knowledge and advance in the work that I'm doing. Now, I will get to work. My phone is on standby. My screens popped up. Probably I'm working, trying to go through a tutorial, trying to go through an instruction, a document instruction, and then head back to the reason why I came to the office. But 30 minutes going through the tutorial, I might stumble upon probably a comedy skit on YouTube. I'll watch the comedy skit. It will take away 2 minutes of my time. I will find the comedian very interesting. I will use my phone, enter Instagram, look for the comedian, and watch a couple of the guy's comedy skits. So from that comedian, I might go over to another comedian's page. From that comedian's page, I will go over to Mufasa Tunde Not. From Tunde Not, I will go over to Instablog Nature. Before you know what is happening, I have spent 2 hours skimming through the walls and the streets of social media and investing only 20 to 30 minutes in that thing that actually brought me to work that particular day. And you cannot serve 2 masters at once. So when you invest time in this and you neglect the other, when you leave this one and want to retrace back to the other, you might see that the bandwagon that brought you to where you were before you entered skit watching has actually left you. And at the end of the day, you now resort to watching social media all through the hours that you should have invested in doing something constructive that is going to set you apart from your contemporaries in 2026. That has been my issue. So what is my resolve? From today, if I'm going to work, no phone. If you want to contact me, my email is readily available. You can send me a mail and I will gladly reply you. Now, let us retrace back to the reason why we are making this video. Do you know that many youths in the world, Nigeria, Africa, Europe, America, many persons spend at least 1 hour to 2 hours. Some go to the extreme of spending 3 hours in the morning going through the walls and the streets of social media. Now in the afternoon, such a person might spend 2 hours again or 3 hours going through skits, going through irrelevant videos, going through content that rarely adds value on social media. Then at night, many will come back after eating. They will just relax on their bed or on a couch. They will bring out their phone, socket it, so far it's charging and there is internet. They will spend 4 hours on social media doing things that are not constructive. At the end of the day, an average lazy youth spends at least 7 hours on the streets of social media. Now, let us take an average of 6 hours. Do you know that 6 hours spent every day doing something that is not constructive on social media? When you run that through 365 days, such a person has wasted 91 days of 2026 skimming through the walls and streets of social media, doing things that are rarely constructive to your visions and targets. See, let me tell you, social media is one of the greatest enemies to you and I achieving visions, targets, getting to heights that will set us apart from our contemporaries in 2026. Social media can make you, social media can break you. One of the things that social media does is that social media exposes your flaws. Social media makes it glaring to all and sundry that you are not disciplined, that you are irresponsible, that you cannot say something and see through it till the very end. And you know what that is going to cause in your life on the long run? What that is going to cause is what I simply call midlife crisis. You are going to get to a point where your excuses, you will exhaust each and every one of them. You see that excuse that you might be giving now while you are investing time in watching skits and things that really add value, those excuses you are giving. Say light no really day. I don't have data. I don't have this. I don't have this resource. No one is helping me. I don't have a new gadget. See those excuses. Those excuses. All those excuses are going to fade away. All those excuses are going to hold little or no water on the long run. Now, in that long run, you are going to see people that invested time in developing themselves. You are going to see them live that life that you envisioned for yourself. You are going to be seeing like the you, the ideal you, the you that you visioned in your mind, the you that you have every desire to bring into reality. You are going to see others living that particular life. That position of the managing director that you should have invested time in to get there, but rather you chose investing hours, months in chasing frivolities in the streets of social media. You're going to see somebody living that lifestyle that you once promised that you're going to live. See, when you get to that stage, reality check will just set in. Midlife crisis, depression, frustration. God, why? Father, help me. Please help me. Friends are no longer trying again. Nobody knows tomorrow. We started this thing, but you abandoned me along the way. All these things are going to be your vocabulary when this midlife crisis hits you. So it is a wake-up call. What do you need to do? It's not a motivation. I'm not here to motivate you. What do you need to do? I beg, that thing that if you do, your life can actually get better. Go and do it. Forget all these excuses. This is 2026. The privileges of having someone to advise you every day might not be there. Go and work on yourself.